The following segment is paid for by Bright Star Care.
Recruiting during a pandemic brought in unpredictably high demand for at-home care and even saw a caregiver shortage.
Here to show us how Bright Star Care is rising to the challenge is the Director of Business Development, Francesca Gonzalez, also the Director of Nursing, Darcy Tamanello. Ladies, welcome to the show.
Thank you. We're happy to be here.
Happy to know that you are rising to the challenge that's been placed before you. Francesca, what is Bright Star Care?
So Bright Star Care is a private duty home care agency. We are accredited with the Joint Commission. We are very proud to say that we've also received, for the last 10 years, the Enterprise Champion Quality Award for providing care, as well as the Home Care Award of Choice and Employer of Choice Award.
That's incredible. Well, like so many of us, we faced a lot of challenges during the pandemic. So how did your industry face some challenges, and how are you rising above it right now?
One of the biggest challenges we found was, and a good thing, is that people really want to stay home during the pandemic, but people want to stay home whenever they can.
Oh, yeah.
They want to know that their needs can be met, and they want to know that their families are taken care of. So Bright Star Care, along with many other agencies, has been struggling, and our biggest challenge has been to retain and find new talent.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, there's so many companies right now that are trying to recruit, not just fill jobs, but find the right people. Right. And I know that if you have been around, you know, and receiving awards for over a decade. By the way, when was it founded here in Las Vegas?
2013.
13.
Wow.
Excellent. So then that's almost a decade of care and service. You want to make sure that you can keep those standards up. For sure. Can we talk a little bit more about like the services you provide too? Because in-home care is a little bit of a general term. So who do you serve?
Well, we have skilled services, we have CNA, we have home health care or home health aid. Mm-hmm. We do LPNs, RNs, speech therapy, occupational therapy, and physical therapy. Mm-hmm. So we serve all disciplines. We have all disciplines of care, and we serve all areas in Las Vegas Valley.
Mm-hmm. And primarily, we're probably looking at your senior aging population. That's going to be the biggest part of our. But we will also work with all ages.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Incredible. And you're definitely looking for people to join your team right now.
Yes.
So
Yes.
who are you looking for? How do you have to be qualified? Kind of tell us what you're looking for.
So what we do is we've created a lab in our facility, our building, and we have a mannequin, we have Hoyer lifts, we have, he's got everything on him. He has a port, he has a catheter, he has a G-tube, he's got everything on him that you could possibly practice with. The caregivers practice in there, and so do the nurses, because that's where you want to practice, in the building, not on your patient. And then we teach everyone all the skills. We're improvising right now, or implementing a new dementia care program to really get the caregivers to understand what they're walking into and have a very solid set of skills for any situation that they might run into. And we're teaching our caregivers how to be a detective in the home and identify what those specific needs might be, even though no one's noticed them yet. Mm-hmm. So that's what we're working on now. And then, of course, we have competencies that everybody has to meet annually and upon hiring. Mm-hmm.
And we talked a little bit about some of the acronyms. Registered nurse assistant would be someone that you would hire, but what kind of a degree or qualifications do you have to have or not to find a place at Bright Star?
So when we're looking for our personal care, our non-skilled services, we're looking for caregivers with at least 1 year experience, actual hands-on experience, and people that care. We want people that love people. That is our primary goal, is to find people that love people. Because at the end of the day, they're going to do and learn whatever it is they need to know to take care of a person. And that's what we're looking for. If someone has experience with Alzheimer's and dementia, if they have experience with chronic medical conditions, how to use oxygen, how to help someone who's got COPD. We're looking for people like that. Primarily people with that 1 year experience and just a genuine care for people.
Very cool. And I know it's very easy to get connected. I know you have a job fair coming up, right? So can you tell us about that?
Yes, you want to share a little bit?
Sure. So we're having a job fair on September 14th. Anyone can attend. All disciplines can attend. It's very easy to connect with Bright Star. You can apply directly on our website. and submit your resume. You can come in person anytime. We host in-house interviews Monday through Thursday, and anyone can come. We're welcome. We have such a great need in the Valley, and we really want to implore people to come. We believe in work-life balance, and we believe that we're the company of choice.
Ooh.
Love that.
Wow. Well spoken, ladies. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. This is a great opportunity for anyone out there who is looking for a position and fits that mold of someone who's compassionate, cares about giving back, and I'm sure there's a certain level of patience that's required too.
Absolutely.
So those great compassionate people out there looking for a good, steady job. If you'd like a little more information to apply to work at Bright Star Care, you can visit their website. You can also check out their job fair. All the info is right there on your screen.